Adjust. Mm. Excuse me. Nobody. Yep. God. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started with or without anybody. Yep. What y'all want to talk about? How do you start a gaming channel? I have a capture card, but I don't know how to set it up. Like, I just like, I don't know how to run it. Like, it's extremely frustrating though. Like, I need somebody to teach me how to run it. Like, you can send me the instructions or video, or it's a capture card, but it doesn't have a brand. It's brandless. Look at it right here. Look at it. It's brandless. I was thinking about just connecting my Xbox One S, One X to my laptop, but then I wouldn't be using this. I mean, I can use this on a laptop, but I just don't know what to download or how the hell. Like, I plug this in and I think it picks it up, but that's all it does. Nothing runs, nothing opens, no program opens, no nothing. I try to download stuff, but it's never the right stuff at all. And there's uh I don't know how to run the Xbox on the laptop to use it as a screen, as a monitor, or like as a TV, as an input to with the output from the Xbox One X to input it on the laptop. And then I can what I was talking about is this app, this program called Camtasia, but that costs $300. So that's why it's so expensive. And this right here, this cost me $100. That cost me $100 right there. It's a brandless capture card. So yeah. Uh, I don't even want to talk about investing. Like, I don't want to talk about this. Just the best thing to do right now, because you're not gonna learn to short a stock overnight. For some people, it'll take a week. It'll take 2 months. It'll take 6 months. With somebody like me, it'll take like 4 to 6 months to do that. Because you just can't you just can't come in and learn how to short a stock overnight. It doesn't work like that. It takes your own money. It takes your own whatever experience, your own strategy to do that. Especially with somebody like me. So I'm learning how to do that. I want to make money. I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna do it with or without viewers. Cause I know I'm gonna get viewers later. Yeah. You making money by yourself, by your own money is not bullshit, but um, like if you want to trade stocks, like how everybody says, like, oh, you want to trade, well, you can be a trader, you can do it too. You can do it too, but it's not what it seems like. It's not what it seems like, you know. Some things you gotta learn for yourself. You gotta figure them out yourself. Yep, yep, buddy. Yep. Yeah, I'm out here getting it, boy. Uh, Look at that. If you write notes and you trade stocks, your notes will be. You will find that sometimes your notes will be 0% accurate, and you will find that sometimes it can be 100% accurate, or you can find 50-50 or like 70-65% accurate. Depends. But there's nothing wrong with writing notes. But yeah, my life is chaos. So all that note writing, uh, is sometimes just kerfuffle, I guess. But not too much kerfuffle, but it could become kerfuffle. Like I just write it down, but I'll never really execute on that. But yeah, doesn't mean that I haven't made money or that you know I just haven't paid myself. That's you know. SNDL, SNDL. No, SNDL. You're not. What about SNDL? Yeah, look at that. And then it runs up to $1.13 on the post market. You gotta love it. No, that's how it did today. Look at. Oh no, when was that? Why is it showing me that? Why is it showing me that? Why would it show me that? Oh, gotcha. Why is it showing me that? That's so annoying. Why did it do that? Why is it showing me a chart from like a month ago? From like the first. It's weird. But yeah, SNDL is looking really good right now. It's just looking extremely volatile. Although I'm down like $1,000 on it, that's okay. I don't care. I don't care. Because I know I'm gonna make my money on it. I don't care. You care? I don't care. I don't care, sir. Yeah, it's just looking really good right now. Really volatile. I like that. It looks very, very attractive. I just like the chart pattern. I like how it looks. I like that shit. Look at that. I can't wait until I have like four. Until I have like 4 or 3 monitors. I'm probably not gonna have that. I'm just gonna have my a big TV and just my laptop. Just keep it the same. I'm probably gonna get a desktop though, like probably a miniature desktop. Yeah, or maybe a normal one. The things that these laptops can do nowadays, like I don't even have to buy that. Like I can run. How does this? I can run task view and then learn to download whatever app, and then learn how the ports and put my HDMI in and put it on two different screens, and then learn to what you gonna call it when you run what's this button you click on? It says duplicate screen, solo screen, whatever. Yeah, extend second screen only, duplicate. I think that's what that's for. That's pretty cool. I'm not there yet, but I'm just confident. I'm confident. But yeah. So you got these stock picks, these watch lists. Where's it at? It's right here. CCL, CRN, CERN, TF, CFG, CGC. That's Canopy Growth. You got Chewy. That's that dog food company or whatever. CL, CIG, CLDR, CLF. So yeah, hey, you can make money, but it's just that it's not gonna be easy. You know, you got running a YouTube channel and just the screen recording app will cost you around like $300. And then if you wanna the stock trading thing, and even a Fentel subscription will run you like $300. So this takes money. It's not easy. And then just being consistent and acquiring the right knowledge and having the confidence to do it. Not easy. Not easy, my guy. Not easy. It's not easy, my guy. My brethren. My brother. So yeah. So I want to get this show on the road. I want to learn to capture video games, capture card, because I want to get this show on the road. And stocks and video games don't mix. So I have a link for it, but I won't for the gaming channel, but I won't like mention it like that. Like because this doesn't mix. So yeah, got up today, brushed my teeth. I ate some Chinese food, but it was good. You ever ate sweet and sour chicken? This is different. This is General Toast chicken. There's sesame chicken. I don't know, like, and then there's sweet and sour chicken. Sweet and sour chicken is good as hell. If you order it with sauce, oh my god, it's good. It's some good shit. Yeah, I have many talents. Many talents. It's just, you know, anything is possible with love. You have love from women that love you. Nice. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Oh God. I got a haircut. I'm glad I got a haircut. I like my hair though. I might let it grow and just really maintain my hair. Just maintain it, grow it out again a little bit, not too much, not let it go crazy. And just, love my hair and just get a haircut every month. Every month or 2 months, get a haircut, be fine. Yep. Self love. You ever loved yourself when you were little? I did, but that wasn't the main focus when I was growing up. It wasn't. No, but that's alright, because you live, you grow, and you learn. But you know, that's alright. Want to do that YouTube survey? Uh, I want to make money. Money. You want to make money? I want to make. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just give yourself love. It'll be fine. It's okay. Yeah. I have. No, I ain't gonna say it. Mm. So yeah, SNDL. It opened 98 cents. It closed at 93 cents. Beautifully. Once again, if you're watching this and you just so happen to be invested in SNDL, you're lucky. Uh, I should check the chart in SNDL. Look at that. Just a very aggressive like. It's been on a 2 week streak of consolidation around $1. Yeah. Then it hovers around. That was on the 10th. From the 3rd to the 10th, it hovered around $1.50 to $1, and then again, it's steady just at $1 for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, it's been around $1. I hate that. When was that though? Oh yeah, yeah. This thing went up to like $1.87. Um, don't get discouraged. Anything you do, don't get discouraged. Don't get too quick to get discouraged. You know why? Because let's say like okay, according to me, because I had to be like, oh, according to me. Um, the marijuana industry is like a $20 billion industry when you add it all up with all the companies, with like I don't know, like the top 10 or like the top five biggest ones like Tilray, Aurora, and then you got SNDL has like a $2 billion market cap. CDC, um, yeah, that's ACB is Aurora. Did I say Tilray? Yeah, whatever. I'm forgetting that fifth one. I don't know. It's like $20 billion. So I mean, there's firms, professional like firms, like securities firms, like these massive, like not that big, like, but since they partner, you know, just like Citadel and Citron and um, just how they would go short on these stocks like GME and Target and TJ Maxx and whatever. They go short on AMC, and that's what they had, and that's what they, you know. There's also firms, securities firms that go heavily into marijuana. They're either shorting or they're going long, and so like these giant brokers, you know, these ginormous holding companies, and so that's just money sitting on accounts, just money being managed. They're taking that money from their clients, from their client base. That's TD Ameritrade, E Trade. That's like the biggest brokers, interactive brokers, whatever. Robinhood. They're taking that money from their clients because not everybody's gonna win. Not everybody's equal. Not everybody's cut out to do this shit. Not everybody. And so, from the short term, it'll look like you're losing because you are losing. But if you look at it in the long term, you're probably gonna come out on top. You just gotta look at it from the higher perspective, from the long term perspective. You're gonna make money. Don't worry about it. It's not easy though. It's not easy. Yep. Oxy. Cannabis analysts March earnings season may not push Canadian LPs, but there are other catalysts. Adult use cannabis sales in the country experienced sequential growth of barely 4% on the first quarter of 2021 compared to the 12% surge seen in Q4 2020 and 31% in Q3 2020. This development, however, could only be partly explained by the COVID lockdown, according to Cantor. The thesis: with the Q1 season earnings season approaching, some may expect it to have a positive influence on cannabis operators, but the analyst doubts it. In fact, he notes the Canadian marijuana index has fallen by 50% in since its February peak. During the same period, the U.S. marijuana index dropped by 33%, while the advisor shares pure U.S. cannabis ETF only lost 23% of its value. The drop in the Canadian index can only partly be explained by the volatility around sundial growers, which dropped by 66% since February, and Tilray, which fell 69%, as these two stocks only offer U.S. listings but not Canadian listings, explained the analyst. Among other contributors to pullback, the analyst highlighted question marks about the timing of deregulation in the U.S., profit taking, and concerns about the call 1Q earnings seasons. FOGI, Oxley Cannabis Group, maintaining estimates and ratings for other companies in the group. So This is why it's a little bit rough in the cannabis industry because it's just not going to take off how everybody wants it or expects it to take off. Not for all of these stocks. I mean, let me see. It's a brand new industry dealing with demographics, dealing with whatever the fuck you're trying to take my money. I'm trying to take yeah. Huh? I don't give a fuck. Fuck you. That's what I got to say. So APHA is down 14.31%. Tilray is down 13%. Aurora is down 9%. Canopy Growth is down nearly 5%. Hexo is down 9%. That's probably, I don't know what, because what these, they're just taking money and moving it around. Because they know when the big move is coming, and I don't know what the stars are online, and you're like, what? Like, the what the fuck or the what? But, you know, the market is not always efficient. It doesn't always reward you, you know, because the market is there to keep you on your toes. It's not there for your benefit, especially if you're retail. It isn't. It's not there for your benefit. So get used to it and learn to play the game. Because that's how you make money in this shit. That's how you make bank. That's how you make real money. So Tilray, I mean, but the more like the game advances, like the more knowledge I gain, it's like the smarter I get. So I'm pretty much I'm ready to short a stock. Like it's just a matter of seeing the right pattern and identifying it the same way that I identify my longs. You know? So most of the time, oh yeah, I forgot to see. That's Tilray DDD Hexo. Let's go to Hexo. So I can take it for a day trade. I can take it for a swing trade. I'm not. I don't really scalp. Not really. I mean, I can scalp the bid and the pre-market. I've done that. That was when I was in AMC recently. That was just like a couple months ago. But I'm not really a scalper. But I can play it in the long term. Hexo. Hexo barely moves. Like it just looks good like for a short. Like a 40 cent short. Like and there's only so much that you can fuck up. If you're acquiring the right knowledge and you're doing your homework, there's only so much you can fuck up in this. Like you'll pull through. If you're getting the right knowledge and the right information, you're gonna pull through. Don't worry. But you have to stay consistent every day. You have to stay consistent every day. Every day. I wanna buy a Fintel subscription just cause. Can't trust holdings. So yeah, look at this. Like there's like holding. Like, are you kidding me? Like there's companies like the securities companies like that are registered with FINRA, with the SEC, with what's the Canadian one called? The CIPF, the CIPF that specifically manage risk in these companies. Like managing risk makes you money. Like this is what this is all about. It's not. It is keep the skill, we'll take the money, and you can make just as much money doing that. Keep the skill, we'll take the money because you're up against a lot when you're a retail investor, and it's set up for you to fail. It's not set up for you to, you know. You watch Anton Creel. His stuff is top notch. You should watch him. So yeah, I'm off this. Peace out.